Hey guys, so just a really quick just review and then just kind of some info on ordering numbers. So let's start with our place value. We've got ones, make sure, okay, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. All right, so whenever we're looking at numbers to compare and order, we're looking at the places and the digits that are in that place. So if you've got two numbers that are in the hundreds and one's a 5 and one's a 4, then one number is larger than the other number, one digit. So just a quick review here. We've got 607 is what compared to 6,007? Oh, let's do green. All right, so this goes to the hundreds and this goes to the thousands. So we know 607 is less than 607,000. Okay, be sure you're paying attention to where those place values are. All right, let's look at our next number. 3,984 is blank to 3,984. What is that one? Equal. They are equal. All right, so each digit is the same in each place. All right, lastly, we've got 10,001 is blank, then 9,999. So, this goes to the 10,000s place, and this only goes to the thousands, so we can just automatically know that this number is larger because it has it's into that next place value. So 10,001 is greater than 9,999. So the the arrow wants to eat the bigger number, okay? All right, so if you've got questions about this, just let me know during our math chat and we'll try to work through that. All right, so moving on to ordering numbers. All right, get my two pens. See if this one's dark enough for it. Um, yeah, probably okay. All right, so when we're ordering numbers, we want to look at, let's just shorten. When we're ordering numbers, we want to either, in the directions, it's going to tell us that we need to go from greater to least or least to greatest. Okay, so greatest to least, least to greatest. First, we're going to do greatest to least. So let's draw this. The green marker will indicate that that's what we're working on. All right, so let's look at our three sets of numbers: 204, 367, 497. Okay, so which number has the greatest value? All right, all three numbers are in the hundreds place. So there's a 2, so 204. All right, that's kind of small. Okay, that's smaller than 300. So we know that 200 is not our first number whenever we're ordering from greatest to least. Okay, and then we've got 367. All right, so that number is more than 200 but less than 4. So 497 is our greatest number in our option here. So we're going to underline that. So we already used it, okay? So then we've got 204, 367. We're going to look in the largest place, and that's the hundreds for both of these numbers. So 300 is larger than 200, so 367 is greater than. All right, 204 is our last set of digits. That's our last number. All right, and so here we've got greatest to least with 497, 367, 204. All right, so there's that one. Greater than. All right, now we are going to do, let me throw some more numbers up here. All right, 6,421, 399, and 142 are numbers. So this time we are looking for least to greatest. Okay, least to greatest. So we're going to look for our smallest number. All right, so 6,421. Well, obviously that's our largest number because it goes all the way to the thousands place and not just the hundreds, okay? So let's move on. 399, 142. Now we know that 300 is more than 100, so 399 is not the smallest number or the number with the least value. So 142 is our smallest number. All right, and then we've got 6,421 and 399. So what's our next smallest number? 399, that's right. Good job. All right, and then our greatest number is 6,421. All right, so now we've kind of talked about ordering numbers. So least is smallest and greatest is biggest. So whenever you're working on your math, please just kind of take note of any questions that you have, any problems you're having, and reach out to me and I'll try to help you um, as best we can being at home. All right. I love you all. I miss you all, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.